Experiences enrich our lives. Fragrance enhances our experiences. Every product we craft reflects quality and precision in every step of the value chain process. Primacy Industries is a one-stop manufacturing partner for air care, personal care, health and hygiene products. Established in 2005, Primacy has become a beacon of quality and reliability, serving a diverse clientele with our wide range of fragrance products. As part of the renowned multi-billion-dollar conglomerate, the Manipal Group in India, Primacy has earned global recognition for its commitment to quality and individuality. Our journey began with the establishment of our first manufacturing unit in the coastal town of Mangalore in 2005. Fast forward 19 plus years, and Primacy now boasts fully equipped manufacturing units in two port cities of India, Mangalore and Gandhidham. Our facilities boast market-tested formulas and rapid turnaround times with a capacity to produce 2 million candles, 0.15 million aerosol cans per day and 500 tons of liquid filling per month of creams, lotions, shampoos in tubes, bottles and pouches. At Primacy, we have always strived to go beyond customer expectations by constantly innovating and producing best quality products. Our vision is to continuously provide wholesome fragrance experiences, which has been one of the key drivers for our success and growth. As a global specialist in fragrance solutions, Primacy provides consumers with a holistic experience right from conception to delivery. Currently, our footprints span across India, North America, South America, Europe, the United Kingdom, Australia, South Africa, Japan, South Korea, and the Middle East. We take pride in being the largest exporter and manufacturer of innovative, high-quality scented candles, contributing to 83% of Indian exports. With 30 plus categories of products in home care, air care, and personal care, Primacy caters to a wide array of consumer needs. We offer state-of-the-art filling and packing capabilities in various formats, including aerosols, liquids, creams, and lotions. Our contract manufacturing services are tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients, ensuring high-quality production and timely delivery. At Primacy, quality is paramount. From sourcing the finest raw materials to utilizing advanced manufacturing techniques, we implement rigorous quality control measures to ensure our products meet the highest standards. Our R&D QC labs are equipped with modern advanced instruments. We boast of certification like ISO, Halal, Kosher, and many more. Our esteemed clients include international retailers such as Kmart, Asda, Action, Sainsbury, Walmart, Target, Dollar General, Argos, Tesco, and many more, as well as prominent domestic retailers like Godrej, Dabur, Wipro, Marico, Trent, Himalaya, Argus, Sanfe, Reliance, and many more. Our success is driven by a dedicated team of 1,100 employees working across various sectors, bringing 19 plus years of expertise in sales, sourcing, manufacturing, and HR, delivering excellence in every aspect of our operations. Our sustainable initiatives includes children's creche, subsidized canteen, briquette boilers, OHS, and others. Choose Primacy for unparalleled expertise, quality, and reliability in fragrance solutions. Our comprehensive range of services, high-tech facilities, and experienced workforce make us the ideal partner for all your manufacturing needs. Experience the difference with Primacy today and see why we are the preferred choice for manufacturers in India and beyond.